So hey guys, it's Ree back again with another video. So I colored this hair gray for my birthday. I ended up not wearing it, so I was like, why not just wear it now and do a little makeup look and show you guys how I would style this hair. I guess I haven't really laid it down, so it's a little bit bumpy up here, but this is what I basically did. I tried some new makeup as well, and I show you guys how I straighten my hair to get this bounce. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, please continue watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share with people. Let me know down below your thoughts of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so my hair looks crazy right now. Ignore that. I did some basic ass like light brown smoky eye because I don't want to do too much with my hair, the shirt I'm wearing and stuff. So I already primed my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. Oh shit. So I primed my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish and the Professional Pore Primer. So I got some new makeup. I only got like the matching Huda Beauty foundation in the color Hot Fuzz. This isn't a perfect match, but the one before this made me look green. So the best that was coming, the best. That makes sense. And I got the Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Kunafa. So this, I'm gonna do my regular routine, which is setting my face with the powder, but I'm not gonna make this like a talk through video. I'm gonna skip. Why does this have so much on it? I'm just gonna use a brush. I'm in a brush mood today. I'm not gonna like talk throughout the whole video. I'm gonna skip through. I can't see myself. I'm gonna skip through the application. So I'm gonna be taking my Real Techniques. This is a contour brush, but it's really fluffy and I like it. And setting my primer. And this foundation is already matte, so I don't really need to set it with the sponge because it's a matte foundation. It was gonna work regardless. Let me not say that. Damn, this just smells like straight like perfume. Alright, so now that I'm actually looking, I'm gonna be taking the foundation with my NYX Professional number 3 brush. Of course, I haven't been using sponges in a long time, so I'm just gonna have to use this. And again, this is not my perfect shade, but I will make it work because I really wanted this foundation. Did it crack already? I think I'm gonna do one pump. This is not a foundation review, so I mean, it's dark, but oh my god, this smells like perfume, straight perfume. Is this not gonna irritate somebody's face? Jesus, that finish. Oh. Do I want an allergic reaction? Is that what I'm waiting for? Just because it has perfume in it? But it looks really nice in the mirror. So I'm about to take Fawn, of course. Whatever I put around my eyebrows is what I put as my highlight. So I've been using Fawn to highlight, and just the way it blends out with a brush, oh my god. And I've also been taking the LA Girl in Porcelain, just a little bit. Oh, that's a lot more than I usually take. Just to highlight. Deluxe crease brush. Ugh, it smells so nice. It's a little wet right now, but I should have let it stay for a little bit longer. Foundation brush with no, ooh, my face looks crazy, with no product on it, and blending out the edges to make it blend better, more seamless, so we don't look too crazy. All right, next we're gonna be taking the black opal. I have not let this go yet. I just can't find anything that like competes with it. Why is it always stuck? An e.l.f. small stipple brush. This is what I used to blend it out so it doesn't, I guess, like spread too wide. All right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty powder. I think it needs a little bit more. Can you like press it? Oh, you can press it to get product. Okay, so over. Oh, damn. This is what I've been missing. Jesus. This looks like filtered. Can you guys see this? I hope you guys are seeing this. All right, so while that's sitting on my face, I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette. I'm using the color Abby. Best thing to set my contour with right now. And it has like little red hints, so it's not just brown and flat. So it's like a bronzer contour. All right, MAC Fix Plus, of course. And then the NYX Stay Matte Setting Spray. Bring out the bio silk because we have to have this hair super silky. And I'm gonna split this in half. And I'm gonna put like nickel size amount of bio silk. Rub it because this hair is mad silky already. It's just like I don't want to weigh it down with product. Show you guys the strands. So I think I'm gonna do big pieces. I have my Conair flat iron, like it was like $30. Oh, this shit is mad hot. And this, dang it, press that shit good as fig. This is how it straightens out. All right, so besides laying my scarf with some sticky spray to make this a little bit flatter, I just finished straightening the hair. Woo, woo, woo. This is like 4 bundles, 30, 28, 26, 24, 30, 28, 26, 24, and a 20-inch closure. And this is from the brand Lavish Lens Co. I'll leave her Instagram down below. The girl who I bought it from, she's also a YouTuber. So yeah, I'll leave that down below. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my makeup look and this hair, let me know down below. I don't know if I want to like keep this hair straight or like curl it. I never had like curly colored hair before. So let me know what you guys think about this basic makeup look, what you think about the finish of the Huda Beauty and this hair. And I'll see you guys in the next video.